Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we have another chicken recipe, y'all. And we are going to start off with 1/4 cup of oil and 1 lemon juice. The juice of 1 lemon. And we're going to take all of our seasonings and we're going to go ahead and pour that on in there. And we're going to get to rubbing our chicken, rubbing that seasoning all throughout our chicken. So y'all, we're going to be making lemon flavored chicken today with a little lemon pepper. So basically a lemon pepper chicken thigh. And our thighs have already been cleaned and everything as well before we put our seasonings and stuff on there. So don't worry about it. I am cooking with clean chicken, y'all. With some clean chicken. So just keep on rubbing that on in there. Make sure all of your thighs gets all of those seasonings, and I will put that in the description below. As always, we just have a little paprika, salt, pepper, parsley, Sazon, you know, the usual that y'all usually see in my videos for our chicken today. And once you get it seasoned, put it in the refrigerator to marinate overnight or for 30 minutes to an hour if you're pressed for time. So y'all, I just took my chicken out of the refrigerator. I was rushing, so I only put it in there to marinate for about 30 minutes. Still gonna be good, but like I say, you could always marinate overnight. So we're just gonna put this in our baking pan and line them up. And we'll be adding some little lemon slices just to add a little bit more flavor and to give it a little presentation, a little cuteness for our little chicken. We also gonna add some parsley on there. And we're going to be adding some lemon pepper, just a little bit on top, not too much. But, you know, if you want to do too much, do the most. It's your chicken. Whatever. So, yeah, we're going to put that in our oven. And we put it in our oven for 375 degrees for about 50 minutes. And this is what they look like. It's so beautiful. You can see all the seasonings popping, the lemon popping, the chicken juices popping. Let me show you a little bit of our other sides. I'll show y'all one day how I make my yams and my macaroni and cheese. And we got a little broccoli on the side as well. But y'all, this is a super simple, quick recipe. Had to plate it for y'all, add a little hot sauce on top. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoy this quick recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, your family, your brother, your sister. And I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.